So even BH Photo has given up at this point. You can no longer order the X100V on their website. So I thought, let's talk about the X100V, about its success, its struggles and its failures, and what this could all potentially mean for the X100V replacement. Okay, so to be clear, the Fujifilm X100V is a colossal success for Fujifilm. Still today, the camera is insanely popular and gets great feedback all over the web. For example, when Chris and Jordan were still working at Deep Review TV, they declared the X100V their all-time favorite reviewed camera, and not only that, but their X100V review was also the most watched Deep Review TV video ever. So Sony, Canon, Nikon, all of them beaten by the X100V. The X100V also made it into the National Geographic Top 10 Travel Camera ranking, and then there are all the great customer reviews the X100V is getting and at various retailers. And by the way, you'll find the link to everything I mentioned in this video down below. But all this popularity comes and love comes at a cost. And this is where I believe we can talk about the failure of Fujifilm in regards to the X100V. And the failure is that Fujifilm could have done so much more money with this camera if only they would have been able to produce more of them. And the situation is actually so bad that back in November 2022, Fujifilm stopped to accept orders for the X100V camera in Japan, and still today you cannot order it there. And now we have the same issue on BH Photo, who suspended all orders on the X100V camera, and if you go on the website it just says request assistance, and if you click on it, it says unfortunately our supplier cannot provide an accurate time frame, so we have suspended all back orders on this item. And on FujiRumors we have also reported how a few months ago Fujifilm managers said that if the world would stop to order Fujifilm X100V cameras today, then they would still need 2 or 3 months to catch up with all the orders. So sure, the X100V has been a massive success, but considering the potential sales that Fujifilm could have made with this camera, if only they would have been able to increase manufacturing and delivery, then we can see the X100V also sort of being a victim of its own success. Now, to be fair, during the last few years, kind of all camera companies struggled with shortages, and Fujifilm actually tried a rather curious solution back in July 2022 when they announced they would use blockchain to optimized supply network of digital camera parts. But this evidently didn't work out really well, considering that not only the X100V is still nowhere to find, but other cameras suffered the same issues, for example the XE4, and in that case Fujifilm even discontinued the XE4, even though there were many of you who still had one on order. So basically Fujifilm just gave up any hope to produce it in a reasonable time frame. So what could this mean for the X100V successor? Well, I can't share reliable rumors right now, so what I'm saying is just my personal speculation. But if I was Fujifilm, I wouldn't feel any urge to invest R&D and to rush out with a successor, given that the X100V is still so insanely popular, and all I have to do to cash in a lot of money is to use all the parts I can get and manufacture as many X100V cameras as possible. So the delays on the X100V shipping could potentially also delay the plans for a successor, in my opinion. But again, that's my personal speculation. What really matters is what our sources tell us about the Fujifilm X100V successor, and as soon as I can share reliable information, I will share it on the FujiRumors blog. And if this video format is appreciated and you guys keep subscribing to the channel, then also here on this YouTube channel. So that's it for this video. Good luck in your hunt for the Fujifilm X100V, and I wish you an absolutely fantastic day. Goodbye. Ciao.